Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you keep your mobile devices running like new with simple maintenance tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to erase internet history on Android so you can free up space and speed up your phone. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Chrome app and tap the three-dot icon in the top corner to access the drop-down menu. For step 2, you need to tap on history from the list of options to see a record of your past browsing activity. In step 3, tap on the option to delete browsing data, which is located right at the top of your history screen. Step 4 requires you to use the time range drop-down menu to decide exactly how far back you want the cache to be cleared. For step 5, carefully select the specific types of data you want to remove from the checklist. Finally, in step 6, tap the delete data button to finish the process and permanently remove the selected items from your browser. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks.